Made one of the big impressions, and he's doing great stuff. At the moment he's writing some of the best songs that's coming out here in Ireland, and I want you to give a warm welcome to young Derek Ryan. This is one of the songs.
I'm running down this old town, time to slip my mind. The morning night took me by surprise, but I've got an alibi. You can knock my pay for being late, but you won't give me the blues. I'm sleeping in the arms of the Billy. Oh my, it's alright, it's alright today. Oh my, it's alright, it's alright today. 'Cause I've been down so many times and lost the sheer routine. But everything's fine because you're mine, the band. Oh, here we go. Well, stocking shelves feel like it. Day I feel no pain. Every point I threw down the wishing well, I thought we found a trail. But it all adds up to what we've got coming home to you. It all adds up to what we've got, the Billy. Oh my, it's alright today. Oh my, it's alright today. 'Cause I've been down so many times, I've lost the sheer routine. But everything's fine because you're mine, the Billy. Up we go. Let's see those hands, come on. Oh my, it's alright today. Oh my, it's alright today. 'Cause I've been down so many times, I've lost the ship or two. But everything's fine because you're mine, the Billy. I said everything's fine because you're mine, the Belle of Liverpool. Yeah.
That's the Belle of Liverpool, one of the bells in the business at the moment. That's Derek Ryan. You'll sing another one for us in a moment.